Hey everyone, in this video I will be walking you through step by step how to find the now hitting developer options or how to install the unknown apps sources. So this is a Fire Stick. You know, I highly recommend everybody going all the way over to the right to the pinwheel. Okay. Go down to My Fire TV. Alright. First things first is always click About. And then you want to go down here and install the update. Okay. I just did it, so I'm not going to do it again. But yeah, you always want to install your update first. Alright. But to find the developer options now, because it used to be under My Fire TV right here, in between here. What you want to do is click About. And then click Fire Stick 7 times. It'll say you are now, no need, you are a developer. Click the back button, and there it is. Okay. Turn on AD debugging. Click install unknown apps, excuse me. You always want to turn downloader on. Click the back button. Now you can move forward and do all your settings or install third-party apps. So another thing I want to show you guys is the settings you should turn off now. Alright, go over to Preferences, click the middle button. Okay, go to Privacy Settings, click it. Alright, you want to make sure all this is off. Device use of data, collect apps, use it off. I usually turn internet-based ads off. Alright, click the back button. Come down here to featured content. I always turn these two things off as well. Okay. I highly recommend power cycling. What that is where you unplug your Fire Stick and your modem. I recommend doing it every 10 days for about 2 or 3 minutes and then plugging it back in. Alright, it's always good because the Fire Sticks never shut off. They go to sleep in screensaver mode, but even when they never power off. So that's a great way to, reset everything. Guys, I'm going to keep this video short. Hopefully this helps. Yeah, like I said, go down to My Fire TV, click it, click About, come down, install the update. Alright, and then click the Fire Stick right here 7 times. And then your developer options will appear. Have a blessed day. Peace and love. Peace and love.